How do I look? Oh, for God's sake. Okay, good morning. It's a new day. We've spent about 10-11 days in Ho Chi Minh, and now we are in the airport on the way to Phu Quoc Island. Some people say Phu Quoc, some people say Phu Quoc. There's a beach there. It's supposed to be fantastic. Let's get there. Okay, so we've got ourselves some airport scran, and it is beef and noodles. Interesting. And it cost £4.53. That'll do. Comes with juice, beef noodles, quite a big bowl. Let's give it a go. We're ready to the plane. Okay, so just got out of the taxi, arrived at the hotel, and yeah, let's go in and see what we got. Okay, checking completed. We're in the lift on the way to, I won't tell you what floor I'm on in case I post this and there's a weirdo who wants to come knock on my door. But we're going to explore the room together for the very first time. Got the old bags on, packing light. Hopefully there's no little slip. Right, so I swear every time I try and check into a hotel room I always have to walk a million miles to find the actual room. So let's not do that because that wouldn't be fun. Look at that view though. We've got some nice buildings. That's alright. It's got some nice greenery over there. Anyway, so. Okay, we found the room. Okay. Plush. That'll do. Yeah, I reckon that'll do, to be fair. Don't mind me a bit of that. Bathroom. Toilet, a shower, toilet. Oh yes. Very nice. Yeah, pretty nice hotel. Okay, fair enough. Got some free water, and I've heard there's a pool on the 9th floor, so let's have a little looky, shall we? Okay. So we're in some sort of empty area. There's a pool around here. It's nice up here though. Oh my god. It's lovely. But it's not a pool, is it? Ah, I see a little walkway up there. That looks like a pool area to me. Let's find out. Okay. Oh yes. Empty as well. Okay. That'll do. That will do nicely, won't it? Okay, so today arriving, we had a little look around, chilled for a bit, and now we're having some dinner, waiting for my crispy fried squid and potatoes, and we have a Saigon Red. Let's give it a go. That's beer. Okay, food was delicious. Squid and, it's supposed to be squid and potatoes, but it was squid and chips, but it's both chips, it's potatoes. Beer number 2. It's either a few more beers or back early and maybe a nice tour early in the morning, so let's decide what we're going to do. Hard decision, eh? Okay, it is early morning the next morning, and we're off this morning for a snorkelling tour. Didn't want to just sit around today and just be aimless, wanted to get a tour booked, so early doors, we're about to get picked up. Let's get going. Made it on the boat. Start of the day, let's do it. Wow, look at this lovely water. Look at that. It's like out of a film, isn't it? It's supposed to be like an 8-hour boat tour or something today, like 3 island tour, snorkeling, things like that. And yeah, you don't see this scenery in Southend or London. Bit different colour water that. Little cable car as well, going up to the different parts of the islands and stuff. Yeah, fantastic. Let's carry on. How do I look? Oh, for God's sake. Okay. Time for some more snorkeling. Okay, so we've stopped off at another little island. There's no snorkeling and stuff this time, but oh, it's John's Tours Island, I think. John's Tours. That's where I'm on right now. Yeah, we just finished the boat. Just got off the boat over here, and yeah, time to explore a little bit. You can do some Pikachu riding if you want, or just explore. Have a little explore, and we might go for a little beer. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so we've got ourselves a beer. This is called a Bivina lager beer. Let's give it a little pour and a little taste test. Yes, I would say that is how you pour a pint. Good, can't see on it, but it's a good old head on that. Let's tuck it in. Cheers. Can I just cheers the camera? What are you doing? That is a beer indeed. Bosh. Let's crack on. So we're just leaving the boat now. Good old day on the ship, on the boat. And yeah, here we go. Cheers. We made it. Back on land. Good old day. Okay, so we're about to go for my first boxing session since I've been away. It's been about 3 weeks and it's very much needed. So don't know if I'm about to film anything, we'll see. But yeah, let's do this. Good session. Hard session. Okay, boxing session done, and it's now the evening. We're out for dinner, and it's taken me my second trip to Vietnam over a year later to try my first ever of their national dish, which is called pho. It's like a kind of a soup with meat and noodles, I think. So, I'll give it a go, let you know how it is. Food was fantastic, really enjoyed it. Now chilling for the rest of the night, so have a good night.